My name is Edward Adoyogo. I'm the Greater Accra Regional Librarian of the Ghana Library Authority. I'm very happy to be here today for the official opening of the library to the community. And also the program we have here is the STEM program, where the kids are learning a few activities in the library. I'm very impressed with the way they have performed so far. They've been able to create what they call the pulley system, and they are even trying to practice with what they have created. And in Ghana Library Authority, our vision is to connect Ghanaians to knowledge resources, and our activities include literacy intervention.
Good afternoon. My name is Akoto, and I'm the founder and chief executive officer of the BTS, Child Development Foundation. Today I'm speaking from the Mashie Community Library, where we have just gone through our maiden STEMFest, where we are introducing STEM studies. Our vision is to encourage the children in this community to take up reading as a hobby and then take it up very seriously. We believe at the BTS Child Development Foundation that knowledge is power, and then you can find it in a book. That's one of our taglines. So we want to encourage every child of this community to make books their friends.
I'm Elvis Cleland from Holy Trinity Senior High School. I was invited to the Mashie Library STEM, and I learned a lot from what STEM people have come and teach me. And I know that if I focus and always learn from STEM, I'm going to make it in life. And I'm happy to be here today. And please, we want our brothers and sisters who are at home and they are not doing anything to join us and learn so that we can do it in future.
Library few and work belina. No matter the few and will follow it. I can library no back belay Akoto Lante community. I make a penny if you follow. But never can be a show. Now I'm a new show, and I'm a new papa and now show. I'm a bombarding Nika at Chanmadian, you do it anymore just school by pet. Ni it will I can't go few can win me pet. Ni will a neighbor library, never Cassini.